In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Boomplay Premium Subscription. Let's get started. If you're subscribed to the Boomplay app, open the app and sign into your account. Now click on the profile icon given at the top right. Then select Premium or Subscription. Choose Manage Subscription or Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the cancellation. After you confirm, Auto Renewal will be turned off and your subscription will expire at the end of the current billing cycle. If you purchase Boomplay Premium through Google Play on Android device, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile picture, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, select Boomplay, tap Cancel Subscription and follow the prompts to confirm it. If you subscribe using the Apple App Store on your iPhone or iPad, open the Settings app, click on your profile name, select the option Subscription. Here find Boomplay, tap Cancel Subscription and confirm your choice. Apple recommends cancelling at least 24 hours before your renewal date to avoid being charged for the next billing period. After cancelling, you can verify that auto renewal has been turned off by checking your subscription status in the same subscription management page. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.